Want to secure your GetResponse account with two-factor authentication? Smart move, because without 2FA, your account is one password leak away from being compromised. In this quick explainer, I'll show you exactly how to set up 2FA and GetResponse to protect your emails, contacts, and data. Plus, at the end, I'll share some better alternatives that not only offer enhanced security, but also come with exclusive free trials through our link. Stick around for that. Alright, let's lock down your GetResponse account. First, log in to your GetResponse dashboard. Click on your profile in the top right corner, then go to Manage Account. From there, look for Security Settings. You should see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Click it. Next, you'll need an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. If you don't have one, download it on your phone. It's free and much more secure than SMS codes. Scan the QR code GetResponse provides, then enter the verification code from your app to confirm. Now, here's a critical step. Save your backup codes. If you ever lose access to your Authenticator app, these will be the only way back into your account. Keep them somewhere safe, preferably offline. Once that's done, log out and back into Tested. GetResponse will now ask for a code from your Authenticator app every time you log in. If you ever get a login request you didn't make, you'll know someone's trying to break in. While GetResponse's 2FA setup is solid, it's missing some key features. For example, there's no hardware security key option, which is a stronger method used by platforms like Google and Microsoft. And unlike some competitors, GetResponse doesn't enforce 2FA by default, meaning many users never set it up, leaving their accounts vulnerable. If you're looking for a platform that takes security more seriously, there are better options. We've tested several email marketing tools, and some provide stronger security, more automation, and even better pricing. We've linked the best alternatives in the description, including an extended free trial that's only available through our link. Check them out and secure your business the right way.